Hello fellas, here we have the MAKITA charger, double charger DC80RD, and it's not showing any live signs or something. And what I have noticed that it's cable cracked here, so I will try to replace the cable. As you can see, we have the 6 screws here. And basically what we have here, we have the double MAKITA chargers, so 2 chargers in one case. Okay, we have the power cord going here, so we need to unsolder it. If you will not remember, the brown is here on the left and it's right at L, it's N for the blue one. Okay, just heating the solder. I will remove some of it with this tape. Holes here and heating it up. Okay, as we go the wire, solder it according to the needed piece, not leaving it in a charger. Okay, now we need to place it. Okay, closing it. Okay, so I'm just getting the cable in the socket. Okay, we can see both lights green.